fill in the correct symbol. Okay, we have to fill correct symbol. Okay, so now let's move to the example 1. 18 and from 31. Which number is bigger? So how we come to know? So we have to compare tens digit. So here in tens digit 1 is there and here 3. So from 1 and 3 which number is bigger? Of course 3 number is bigger. So we have to symbol this side. Okay. Now next example 28 and 82. Yes, on the tens here 2 is there and here 8 is there. So which number is bigger from 2 and 8? Yes, 8. So we have to do symbol this side on 82. Next, from 10 and 11. Yes, from 10 and 11 tens, both 1 is there. So now in your mind one question will arise, मैम आपने तो ऐसा बोला था कि टेंस डिजिट को कंपेयर करना है, कौन सा नंबर बड़ा होगा उस साइड. बट इफ टेंस डिजिट पे दोनों नंबर सेम है, so we have to compare ones digit. Okay, so on the ones here 0 is there and here 1. So one number is bigger than 0, so we have to do sign this side. Okay, next 33 and 44. 33 and 44. On the tens digit here 3 is there and here 4. So which number is bigger? 4. So we can do symbol this side on 44. Next example 36 and 63. 36 and 63. Here 3 is there and here 6. So which number is bigger? Of course 6. So we have to do sign this side. Here 41 and here 14. So on the tens digit here 4 and here 1. So from 4 and 1 which number is bigger? Yes, of course 4. So we have to do symbol this side on 41. Okay, if tens number will be same both of the side, so at that time we have to compare ones digit. Okay, so at that time we have to compare ones digit like here we do in 10 and 11, right? Next example is 24 and 64. 2 and 6. Which number is bigger? Of course 6. So we have to do some symbol this side. Okay, 22 and 68. 22 and 68. So which number is bigger? 6. So we have to do symbol this side. And okay, so now next here 17 is there and here 71. So we have to compare tens digit. Here 1 is there and here 7. So which number is bigger from 1 and 7? Yes, number 7. So we have to do symbol this side. I hope you all understand this concept very well. This is a very easy concept. Okay. Okay students. So now we will learn ascending and descending order. Okay. Now rewrite the numbers, start from the smallest and finish with the biggest. Here what we have to do? We have to write smallest number first, then bigger number, bigger number, bigger number. Okay, we have to start with the smallest number. Okay, then we have to jump bigger and bigger number. Okay, let's move to the exercise 35, 43, 22. When we are doing counting like 20, 21, 22, first what come? 22. Then what come? 24, 22, 23, 24. Okay students, so now we will learn ascending and descending order. What is written in the exercise? Rewrite the numbers. Start from the smallest and finished with the biggest. Here what we have to do? We have to start with the smallest number and we have to end with the biggest number from among numbers. Okay, let's move to the exercise. Which number is smallest? Okay, like in the counting 20, 21, 22. What comes first? 22. Then 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yes, फिर क्या आया 35. So we have to write 35. Then 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So 43. This is the smallest number and this is the biggest. Okay. Likewise, this we have to do exercise. Okay. This is called ascending order. This is called ascending order. Okay. Now next 56, 9, 17. Which number is smallest? 9. Then 17. Then 56. 56 is biggest and 9 is smallest. Yes. Then 63, 28, 79, 55. First 28. Then 55, 63, then 79. Okay, this is the smallest number and this is the biggest. Likewise, we have to find the smallest number, then bigger, then the last biggest. Okay, so this is called the ascending order. Okay, students. So students, now here what is written? Start from the biggest and finish with the smallest. Prior what we done? Yes, prior we started with the smallest and ends with the biggest. Now here we have to start from the biggest and finish with the smallest. Okay. So which number is bigger among three? Yes, 73. Then 55. Then 42. So among three, this is the biggest number and this is the smallest. Now next example, 45, 51, 12. So 51 is the biggest, then 45, then 12 is the smallest. Here 12 is smallest, 51 is the biggest. 18, 62, 77. So 77 is the biggest. Then yes, 62. Then 18. 18 is the smallest among three and 77 is biggest among three. So this is called the descending order. Yes, this is called descending order. Prior what I explained you about descending order. Now here descending order. Okay. I hope you understand the concept of ascending order and descending order. In ascending order, it starts with smallest and ends with biggest. In the descending order, it starts with biggest and ends with the smallest. Okay. This is the concept of ascending order and descending order. Okay students, so now move to the exercise 8. Yes. What we learned prior, we learned about ascending and descending order. Now we will do exercise for ascending and descending order. Arrange in ascending order. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? From smallest to biggest. From smallest number to biggest number. Yes, now question 1. 13, 31, 42. So which number is the smallest? 13. Then 31. Then 43. This is the smallest number and this is the biggest. Likewise, smallest to biggest. Okay. Next. 40, 64, 34. So which number is smallest? Yes, 34, then 40, then 64. So 34 is the smallest and 64 is the biggest. Okay. 56, 19, 48, 63. Here 4 numbers are there. Okay. So which number is smallest? First 19, then 48, yes, then 56, then 63. So 19 is the smallest and 63 is the biggest. Okay. 19 से बड़ा 48, 48 से बड़ा 56, 56 से बड़ा 63. Okay. So likewise this we have to do ascending order. We always have to start with smallest and we have to complete with the biggest among the numbers. Now exercise 2. Arrange in descending order. What is the meaning of descending order? From biggest to smallest. Biggest to smallest, opposite of ascending order. So which number is biggest? 86, then 80, then 18. So this is the biggest, this is the smallest. Okay. 34, 45, 9. So 45 is the biggest number, then 34, then 9. 9 is the smallest, 45 is the biggest. Okay. Next 93, 48, 17, 9. So first 93 is the biggest, then 48, 17, 9. Okay. So 9 is the smallest number and 93 is the biggest number. I hope you all understood the concept of ascending order and descending order. I am explaining again. In ascending order we have to do smallest to biggest, and in the descending order biggest to smallest. Okay.
Refer this video. We will provide you homework in our group. We will interact soon in online session for your queries and homework.